right, little Mopar time here. 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner 2-door hardtop. True Roadrunner RM23. Code on the data tag will confirm that, as well as a VIN number. Something else you'll find out on the data tag, this is a original color to this car, sand pebble beige. Tan vinyl top and tan interior. Should be H2T, so original looking setup, the way this would have came from Plymouth back in 1969. Also original is the engine underneath the hood, 383, numbers matching. You'll be able to see where the stamp is on the block in our pictures, as well as that data tag I'm talking about. You can also tell that it's the original radiator support from the stamping on it, and those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, that's going to take you right there. Be able to check those out. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Now this particular car, there are some extra parts that go with it I'll get to in a little bit, and a little TLC will really take this thing to the next level, but runs, drives. We have had it out and about. We do have technicians that give them the once over and fill out a inspection sheet on them, and you're welcome to consult with the sales associate on that when you call in. So you can see the bright work nice in the front of this car. You're going to find a few little dings, nicks, scratches, some touch up on this one. Overall, wouldn't be afraid to take it to any shows, local cruise-ins. They'll still turn heads. Nice looking car. Riding on the Plymouth Rally style wheels. Cooper Cobra radials. You're going to have some spots like this, like right here. We got some little touch up. Again, drive it the way it is. Really take it over the top if you want to. Interior, nice shape. I wouldn't be surprised if this is the original vinyl even on this one. Just little things that kind of, show its age, but yet still in very nice shape. Seems to be a authentic interior. As you can see, the dash, very stock looking. I have played around with the radio. AM radio does work, wipers work. Interior, the blower fan also works. Now, if you want to know what's going to come with this car, I'm going to pop the trunk too and show you something back there I want you to be able to see. First off, all right, some boxes over here. We have a fan shroud, and then the mounting brackets for it is what is in this box. Taller box right here is the hood mat, brand new, obviously still in the box. The next one, smaller one over here, that is a trunk mat for the trunk, and there is not one in it. I'm going to leave it that way to show you something here in a little bit. The trunk, this package right here would be your trunk seal. Also a water pump, carburetor, battery tray and tie down, a couple lug wrenches, and a cover will go with it. So those things are right there. Will go along with this car. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate about that when you call in. Come around to the rear. When I say the chrome's perfect on it, no, but I would just say it's very presentable, yes. Of course, the light surrounds, those are in nice shape. Check out both of them. And you can see the car is straight up and down the sides of it. You'll be able to check out the undersides of this too. There's pictures of that online. Come around to this side and you do have a few little touch-ups again, so we'll make you aware of those. But again, overall, very showable and very original. Original color, exterior and interior, numbers matching engine. Transmission in this one, automatic, 3-speed automatic, 727. I have not confirmed that that's numbers, just the engine. All right, let's go ahead and look at this interior a little closer. Seat belt's all still intact. And as you can see, it's not full of rips, tears, much wear. The horn works. We'll let the beep beep. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. I believe one thing that was noted. No, I take that back. The gas gauge did move. I was thinking may have been a notation on the inspection sheet about the gas gauge, but again, something to consult with a sales associate. They'd be happy to go through that with you. Otherwise, it looks like the alternator. And the one thing I noticed over here too, working tack. Again, AM radio, and that did work for me. Wipers worked. Dash is in nice shape. Nice running cart. Headliner also in nice shape. Slip around to the back of this so you can hear it. Again, nice sounding car. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to pop this hood open. I'm also going to get the trunk open. A couple other things I want to show you real quick before we end this video. Alright, engine popped. Or engine popped, hood popped, sorry about that. Alright, under the hood. There's where the hood mat comes in. So that is the replaceable part of that in the box back there I showed you earlier. See how smooth that 383 V8 runs. You can see there is a new carb on there, so it wouldn't surprise me if that was the original in the box back there. Sounds good. I want to show you some of the other markings up here too. Here's that stamp that will match the VIN. That is the original radiator support. Take a look at some of these original stamps and markings on there. Also notice up the firewall up here. That engine bay looks very original as far as paint wise. Of course, the data tag over here. That is correct for the car. VIN number, all those pictures will be online. Alright, one last thing I want to show you back here. This trunk. If you look in the trunk pictures, you're going to see this surface rust. And I didn't want to repaint this covered up because it is solid. I don't want you to think that that's rusted through anything like that. That's surface rust. So you can scrub that up with some wire brush, get it cleaned up, prime it. But I just wanted to leave it that way. Or if you want to drive this car the way it is, put the trunk mat in there and go. But just wanted you to be aware of that. Very, very solid trunk floor. All right. There you go. Again, call with any questions you might have. 507-386-1726. 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, 383 numbers matching. Automatic car. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to us. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it or email.